Joey Antonelli here, and it is Sunday around noon or so. There's just a little update on what it looks like out here right now. I definitely wouldn't say hurricane conditions by any means, but we're definitely seeing the wind and the waves starting to pick up. We're walking to the beach now. I gotta get my little boat off the beach here in a little bit, but just want to go check it out and see what the waves are looking like. So the waves are picking up a lot. We got crazy high tides and crazy low tides. You can see how big the beach is right here, and it's just a lot bigger than it normally is. I got a little boat that washed up there. That was actually a couple days ago. That wasn't today. But we definitely got victory at sea. There's been some people going out surfing. I wouldn't say it's really good surf, it's just big surf. And that's kind of a look at the ocean right now. We're gonna walk the beach a little bit, see if we can find anything that washed up yet. We got a bunch of these turtles' nests that still haven't hatched. Those things are all gonna get eroded away, and we'll be seeing a bunch of sea turtle eggs up on the beach here pretty soon, if we don't already. Here we go, here's one less than a few feet away. That was a turtle egg, didn't quite make it. So there should be more around. That's a shell. There's another one. I don't know what nest they came out of. There's one right there. Turtle wasn't quite ready to come out of it. That's crazy. Poor little guy. So probably this nest, I'm guessing, got eroded a little bit. Or it was a different one and it just kind of washed up. So there's definitely lots of sea turtle stuff we're seeing that have been eroded. Like here's another one right here. This guy looks like he actually hatched, but just didn't quite make it. Maybe he couldn't get out in the crazy rough surf. But that's something you'll probably be seeing a lot of, and as the storm keeps coming in, the next high tide, which will be around 10 o'clock tonight, we'll be seeing that again too. There's another one. More eggs. The shells don't necessarily mean something bad though. The shells could be turtles that already hatched, so that doesn't really mean a whole lot of anything. But here's a bunch of eggs down here that all washed out from a nest. So these are unhatched eggs. They may have hatched if they didn't get all eroded. There's one. Here's one where the turtle's still in it. It's just crazy. Crazy. All right, so now we're getting up to where they are. That's the nest they came out of. There's one there. So this whole nest looks like it got eroded from the last high tide. Yeah, that's a fresh one. Looks like right here they came out of. That was a turtle nest. It's not all going to waste though. We got these birds right here. Seagulls are pecking at them, trying to eat the little sea turtles that weren't quite ready to hatch yet. But just look how big this beach is right now, and then we'll show you the difference at high tide. All right guys, just finishing up my beach walk now. I'm gonna go ahead and pull my little aluminum boat off the beach here in a minute and go stow that somewhere and then continue on with the day. But we're definitely starting to see the storm effects as far as bigger surf and beach erosion. That's probably the two things I would say we're starting to see. Those turtle nests all the way up and down the beach. As far as I was walking, I was seeing sea turtles' eggs just washed out, and what turtles weren't strong enough to make it out. I don't know what the deal was, but that's all part of it. It's all natural stuff. Can't be mad about it. That's just the way it is. That's the circle of life. So we're gonna go ahead and get that boat off the beach now and continue on our day. Can't remember if it fits straight through. I think it's got to go at a little angle. Yep. There we go. We got the contender off the beach, all loaded up. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but looks pretty good in the truck for a little while. Just got one little ratchet strap, that should do. What's going on, guys? We're continuing our day. We're down here at the inlet, and we're gonna see if we can catch some fish for dinner. We're gonna try to do a little hurricane catch and cook, maybe find a snook or even a redfish. We'll see what we can find. But we're gonna get some bait or throw some artificial or something. Get that started now. All right, we got something on here. Little thumps. What do we got? Hurricane fish is what we got. Simon! We got us a kitty cat. Not what we're looking for here. Alright, we are not looking for kitty cats. Oh, we're on again. No kitty cat. No kitty cat. It's my only request. It's coming straight in. I know he's going over towards the rock. Oh! It's a drag puller. Oh, come on.
Is that the slotty?
Not a catfish. It's not a catfish, so we're good. What do we got? Is that a flounder? No, a little redfish. Dinner, son. It's a little baby redfish. And I don't normally keep them this small, but I want some fish for dinner. We're gonna go put him on the stick and make sure he measures up. We're gonna make sure this guy measures up and then either take him home for dinner or release him. Got a 19-inch redfish. That's gonna be our dinner. I'll take it today. Hurricane catch and cook. It's gonna come at you. There we go. All right, we are getting ready to leave here. Just gonna do a quick fillet job on this here redfish that we got. This is gonna be our dinner. Get that bag in my pocket. Wash my back for waves, and I'm using a brand new knife. It's a tsunami knife I just got. This is kind of a pretty small fish. I don't normally keep redfish this small, but I really want to do a fish sim for dinner tomorrow night when I got some friends coming in that are staying with me for the hurricane. So I make my cut and just slide the tip of the knife down the backbone until you get all the way. What, they're all leaving? What? What? Oh, F-dub? So we're just gonna go right down the backbone. Until we get all the way straight through the rib section. We got a nice good fillet right there. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. Go all the way down. pop this off. That's it. This guy is just garbage. I'm gonna go ahead and chuck him out. We got 2 good fillets right here that we're gonna go ahead and put in a bag and take home.